Keto ice cream because I thought it was bye-bye ice cream forever when I started the ketogenic diet. But after experimenting in the kitchen and after tasting other keto ice cream that are available in the market, some I would have bad reactions, I would have stomach aches, some are just as hard as rock and doesn't taste as good. And so I thought, why not try and develop my own recipe? I wanted to make an ice cream recipe that would be easy to make and taste just as good as the regular ice cream that we can buy, in the groceries or in the supermarkets. I want it to be easy because not everyone has the time to labor in the kitchen. Some have other things to tend to, like their children, or they have day jobs. And I want keto to be accessible to everyone so that they can enjoy the diet and the change in lifestyle. One thing I've realized that it's a world that can be as tasty and as sweet as your regular diet, your regular food. And it is something also, as a keto advocate, it's something that I clamor for. Something that tastes good, that feels good when you eat it. So hence the recipe for the keto ice cream. In this class, you will find 3 flavors. So we have the strawberry, which is sweet and citrusy at the same time. It has the freshness of the fresh strawberries. And then, of course, we have the famous avocado ice cream. As we all know, avocado is good in fats, so you need that when you're in a ketogenic lifestyle. And last is the chocolate, because those that are having sweet tooth, it is very decadent and really chocolate. We use real chocolates for the recipe, so hindi kayo shortchanged with the taste, with the quality of the ice cream. I chose this recipe because I think the ingredients are the most accessible in the market. These are the simplest recipes that you can make on your own. These are recipes that you can make without an ice cream maker. Basically I have to think of how accessible it's going to be for those who will make it. So year-round, we can have the strawberries, we can get it from Baguio, we also have avocados, which again is a staple in any ketogenic diet. It's very important that I chose allulose because the mouthfeel is almost the same. So, hindi siya matigas. Of course, it will be frozen, pero hindi siya matigas. Once you leave it out for about 10 minutes, you can already scoop it up. The sweetness is almost the same. If you make the recipe, again, your preference of sweetness is up to you. You can lessen it, you can increase it. Whatever measurements I chose to make or put in the recipe, it's almost what you can taste in regular ice cream. I'm 𝐥𝐭 𝐅𝐫𝐞, a keto advocate. Join me as I teach you how to make this yummiest and creamiest sugar-free, guilt-free keto ice cream. Syempre, dito lang yan sa the Bailiwick Academy.